Hiya crafters, Amy here, and I have a quick and easy masculine birthday card idea to share with you today. I'm going to be using a few of these bright neon ink electropop inks, and I have some blending foams and handles, and I have this awesome striped spiral stencil. This is from A Colorful Life Designs. I do have a coupon code, so you can find that as well as all the links to the products that I used in the video description box below if you expand and scroll down. But basically I'm using my Wendy Vecchi station tool, and I'm just getting right to work here with ink blending with these three colors. Kind of starting in the center with the blue color and then working outward on the panel. This is an A2 size panel of 110-pound cardstock. It is Neenah Classic Crest Solar White, and I'm just starting with the blue, going into the green, and then into that fluorescent yellow. Now, I know a lot of people struggle with, gender neutral or masculine card ideas, but I find the easiest way to do it is just to keep it simple. I don't kind of subscribe to certain colors being for certain genders or things like that. But I do kind of gravitate towards more simple or geometric designs, whether that be through a stencil or with texture like you're going to see today. I don't think you need a lot. You don't necessarily need critters or a focal point. Just keep it simple. I guess that's the best advice I could give you. So I'm keeping this really simple. I did not like all the white space, so I am coming back in with the blue just to kind of blend deeper from the edges and then fading inward, kind of giving this spiral a bit of a vignette. So it's kind of drawing the eyes into the center, which, the stencil is so beautiful. It kind of draws your eyes into the center anyway, but by giving it this vignette, it just kind of naturally will draw your eyes in like a focal eye path into where you want it to on the card. So if you ever feel like your card maybe needs something else, maybe blend a little bit from the edges and kind of create that vignette look. Now I have this angled mosaic altenew embossing folder. I love these 3D embossing folders. I feel like you can really kick your card up a notch by running it through one of these embossing folders. But look at that. So you have texture and you have the design, but overall it's still very simple. And now I'm just going to use a simple strip. This is from Tailored Expressions. This is my newest set that I've recently acquired. It's called The Man, the Myth, the Legend. And it's all for, Father's Day or male birthday. And some of them are snarky and fabulous and totally my jam. So I pick a couple of those, one for the outside and one for the inside. And as you're seeing, guys, I'm keeping it super simple. I have these foam strips that I got off of Amazon. They are comparable to the Doris ones, but they do sit a little bit lower on the card, so, easier for shipping, and the price point is amazing. So, again, I'll link those below with all the other products that I used in the video description box. But I'm just going to liquid glue that one on the inside of the card, and that's it, guys. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? But really, just keep it simple. There's a little straggler. Does that happen to you guys? I'm forever having tape stuck to me or washi tape, whatever. Just got it stuck to me at all times. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my card today. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. And I'll check you next time. Have a great day. Bye.